Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us start with the exercise 3.5. Fourth problem. Form a linear equation in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by algebraic method. Okay, so fourth one problem. Places A and B are 100 kilometers away on the highway. One car starts from the point A and another car starts from the point B at the same time. If the car travels in the same direction at the different speeds, they meet each other in 5 hours. If the distance traveled, if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What is the speed of the two cars? So, let us start with the problem. There are two cars, say at a point A and one at a point B, and they are traveling in the same direction. Say we take it in this direction, and both the cars are traveling in the same direction. Now there is a distance between these two cars is 100 kilometers. Now they are saying both are traveling in the same direction with a different speed. One may be fast, one may be slow. So let us take the speed of fast car be equal to x, that is x kilometers per hour, and other car speed be y kilometers per hour. This is also kilometers per hour. Now when the two cars are traveling in the same direction with the different speeds, now they will meet at a point, say somewhere C. So they will meet at a point somewhere C, and it will take 5 hours for them. So the distance both of them we will be traveling. So what happens is, when they are traveling in the same direction, we have to find out the relative speed, means the speed of this car with respect to this car. So that is called a relative speed. So relative speed of cars when they are traveling in the same direction. When they are traveling in the same direction, it will be x minus y. So one car is faster, the other car is little bit slower, we can say. So the distance or the relative speed will be x minus y. And when they are traveling, say this is one car, A and B from a point, and if they are traveling in the same direction, opposite to each other. So when they meet each other, say at this point, also when there is a accident, both the cars, when they meet each other, one is 20, one is 30, they meet each other at a point, the accident point is 50. So both the speeds are added up. So that's why the relative speed of cars when they travel in opposite direction, their relative speed will be x plus y. So we say the distance which is there, we know the formula, distance is speed into time. We have said the speed, this is the speed, and when we take the relative speed of the cars in the same direction, that is x minus y, and we say they are meeting each other, that is 5, that is speed into time, this is speed into time, this is time, 5 hours. They meet and the distance between them is 100 kilometers. We had said this. So this x minus y will be 100 upon 5. This will come as a denominator. So we can say from this x minus y is 20. 25 this is the first equation. Now if we take the other speed, that is x plus y, when they are traveling in the opposite direction, A is traveling in this direction, this is traveling in the other direction. They meet at certain point and they meet at 1 hour. That is, this is the speed into the time is 100 kilometers. The distance between them will be the same. Okay. So this is the second equation we form, x plus y is equal to 100 kilometers. So this is the second equation. Now what do? We add 1 and 2. What method is this? This is elimination method. We are using the elimination method and we add both of them. X plus y is 100 and x minus y is 20. So when we add, this will become x plus x is 2x and this will get cancelled, x y minus y, and this will be 100 plus 20 is 120. From 2x is equal to 120, that means x is 60. So this is one of the speed. Let us see. So we will substitute x is equal to 60 in say we will substitute in 2. So x plus y is 100. So 60 plus y is 100. So y is 100 minus 60. So y we get 40. So this is the answer. Hence we say the speed of one of the car is 60 kilometers per hour and this is the fast car, and this is the next speed of the other car. This is the fast car, this is we have taken x, and this the speed of the other car is 40 kilometers per hour. So this is the answer. That's all for this video. I hope you have liked and understood today's problem. Share this video with your friends and classmates. If you have really understood the problem, you can surely like the video. If you want such similar videos, you can subscribe my channel for the latest information. In case of any doubt or query, comment in the comment section. We'll meet back again with a new video next time. Thank you.